Women's Allegria Henna Platform Sandal. Specifications of the item: imported sole material, faux leather, item type hook and loop. Regarding this item: upper vegan leather platform, outsole made of flexible, lightweight polyurethane, footbed made of molded polyurethane with arch support. 3 movable hook and loop fasteners allow for a personalized fit, customized fit. The front strap and ankle straps are adjustable and make it simple to secure the foot for all-day comfort. Superior arch support is possible with wedges, too. This is the most comfortable platform sandal because of the molded footbed's built-in support, which reduces knee, hip, and back pain by absorbing impact. Classic styling: this sophisticated, casual fashion wedge slide has a smooth, opulent leather covering. Timeless design is ideal for the workplace or weekend errands. The cork-wrapped platform wedge outsole of this traditional flat, low-heeled sandal adds a natural, earthy touch.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and comment below. Check out the description to find the product link.